How to make a panoramic photo on an iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the camera app and launch the default camera app on your iPhone. Further, swipe to the Pano mode just past portrait and before a time lapse. Now, hold your phone vertically or horizontally. By default, it starts in horizontal panoramic mode, so go ahead and rotate your phone to landscape. Now, a horizontal arrow will guide your movement, so keep the arrow centered on the line for best results. Simply move your phone in a straight line and keep it steady. Sudden jerks cause wavy glitches. Make sure that you do not need to complete the full line, just tap when you are done. So, this is how you can make a panoramic photo on an iPhone, as you can see here. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.